Okay, so I cannot wait to get on stages, up on the platform, talking to hundreds of people, thousands of people. Like, that's what I want to do. Like, how cool is that? Hold on, I got itch. Sorry. So, yeah, I want to get on more stages. So, if you know of a stage, please let me know because I would love to be on it. If you have one yourself, let me know. If you know somebody that has one, let me know and let's make this happen. Also, I'm looking to be on other people's podcasts. I love doing that. I did one today. So if you have a podcast or know of one, I would love to be a guest. And I know I can add value. I've been on over 10 other podcasts so far, and I'm just getting started. Alright, everyone, remember your abilities are infinite.